Hey guys, just going to go over one or two trades that I took today. OTRK, when it broke this level, that level you could have off if you buy a system. They have our levels. So that was a good downtrend and then a re-break at the open. So that was a very clean winner right here. Just took a small bit of that right here. If you see a larger pullback, a lot larger pullback, and then just a quick run here with a small minor pullback at the same opening. That is just going to be a small pop. Another retry and then a downtrend. So definitely if you got that. And then what you're really looking at that is look at how much it played off of yesterday. So if you don't know why I draw my larger fibs, this is why I draw my larger fibs. See, they work pretty well for a longer play of look, even though I'm still going to take these scalps in the middle. So here's a whole nother game plan on a reason that I'll teach you. But basically right over here, FUSN, I was looking for something there because it had good money. Right here, I think this was ENVB. I took this one right here in pre. Took another one pre because this had 3 stair steps, 1, 2, and 3. So those were 2 easy trades to get right here. You can draw your fibs on this one. Get almost to the target right here. Yeah, target 1. Then when it broke down here and started going up again, it stair stepped 3 times to get up there and broke down to target 2. So perfect play. This didn't really care about. The reason is if you see how wide that plan was, it did this. And also the float was not as good as the other one. So, you know, sometimes it just comes down to which one's everybody looking at. Right now, currently I'd be in this trade too because it's looking at the same area right here. Right there, and I can zoom in. I would have taken that trade, but I'm not taking them all. But look, right here, you'll see a target 1 over that top. Let me draw it in for you real quick, right there. That's your trade. You have a higher low, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, so it's still downtrending. You'll start seeing other little things tell you it's ready to rebound right here, and that's a target 1 trade right there all day long. And then WORX smoked. This was Tib A, so I can't really thank myself on this one. But yeah, I took the trade right here, right above that, looking just for a spacious trade. I got that with size, and it did a bull flag right here. Bull flag is when it's basically 2 large candles right here, and this is all 1 minute. So this was happening pretty fast. So like if you're going to take this trade, you have to be, it's already on your board before the open, and it shot right up, right through all my things. I'm out. I'm already out because those are my 2 targets right here. I'll show it to you real quick if you need to zoom in. Let me zoom in real quick. It's kind of crazy that now it's like nothing, but one time of the day, it was like a pretty big maneuver for yourself. So right there, yeah, like went 3 or 4 targets right away, right there in 1 minute, right above that candle. And hit 2 targets. I'm already out. I've already done this trade in probably 22 seconds. Continues, cool, wait, then we wait. That's what's the best thing. You know, Rob Booker, a lot of other traders, you sit there and look, it went up and came back down. Now, a couple of other things, it did have a, right here, there was some stuff that we all pay for. I just currently use it, that's all. And then it jumps right up again, comes up here, platforms. This is a nice patient wait because basically now it has lower highs. So basically it's not breaking this point. But right here, once it starts breaking down, you'll see the curvature. You'll see that the buyers are starting to take back over. And then you can get these stair steps. Here's 1 stair step. There was another one. I don't know where it went. Yeah, right here. So right here, right at this, if it can take a stair step, come right back down and go, that is a very, very good sign to get in this trade right here. And target 1. And if it continues to break, it's going to continue to break. And the reason it's still smoking up a storm, it's really this. But right now I see that, you know, the buyers are not as aggressive now. You'll start seeing some other indicators go down. If it goes more, it's just they're caught. And I don't chase a lot of this stuff. I will put an alert here for giggles. And if it goes, it goes. It might go right in front of me. But I'm not going to sit here and put all my money. So as the trade gets a little longer and I'm scalping more, I'm actually doing less shares. So once I've made my money right here, made this, now this trade, I'm doing probably 50% of my shares. And the reason is just, look, see, it's going to keep trying here. And this might be resistance, but this was the easy play to see right here when it broke over this. This is my ascending wedge, or not my ascending wedge, but an ascending wedge right here where you see it breaking down. And this is where that thing, you draw your fib one, now it's broken this level, and it might just go to target two and fail, or it might just keep going because there's shorts that have to buy it with you. If you were going to do anything, I would have done a quick scalp right here. You know, you could do like this, and see, that's all it did right there, right before it comes down. So if you're sitting there trying to get that done, you got to sit there and be very, very, very careful of what you're doing right here. That when it tries to break that, it doesn't have to break it every time. You know, so you gotta watch that play, because these are just test points. You could probably go to a program you pay for and realize that this momentum is not as strong as this momentum. So you're just going to have to wait, and maybe they'll do the exact same thing. Play around a little bit, dip back down, and then break out and show that the buyers are in control. And all it is, a lot of people want to take their payday. Why not? Look at what they just invested. They invested it here and getting $1 play on that. But see, you could have got caught on that wick just for excitement. Then you missed some of these other plays. And that's where you got to watch it, that you don't chase it too much. So really, that's the one, because I just got up pretty late today. Here's my Hoth trade. I put that in the pre-market. I said this is the level it's going to break. And at 145, because this was drawn real early. It was drawn right after here, and you just had to wait for it to form. And then it broke and hit both targets. So it's going to happen. You just got to let it play out, okay? And then I don't know, the rest looks all right. So I wouldn't sit there and start focusing like Tib did. Tib looked at the lowest float. We got this little pre-market run here, and then everybody else kept doing it, and then it just didn't go away. What I did right before the open as well, I'll look at the 1 hour and show you what it looks like on the 1 hour. So now you see all these tries at this area. And I'm going to put it to the nearest low, and you're going to see what it really did was break all this area, and still might be trending up. Let me get rid of this fib so you can see it a little cleaner. And that's your 1 hour chart. You'll see all these levels before this. I posted this before. And if it's just, look, the buyers are willing to pay more on the bottom side, that's why this was my choice of the day. And it went through target one pretty quick, and that's why I look at a couple time frames. They said the larger the time frame, the more confirmation. And it still could be continuing right now, but otherwise I just took it because of this is a large ascending wedge. On the 5 minute, you can see the exact same thing here, just on the smaller time frame right here. And then on the 1 minute, you can see beautiful curves, small pullback, large pullback, and then the double top. So y'all have a good day. Just wanted to share as much as I could with you. If you need any lessons or stuff like that to see what I see, I'd be glad to help you out. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.